SEBI's new rule mandates companies as defaulters even for minor payment lapses. Ritu joins in with more details on that one. Ritu.
Well, SEBI's strict default rules, where even a one-day delay of ₹1 to any investor counts as a default and triggers a rating downgrade, are proving to be quite challenging for corporate India, and the recent Axis Finance case only goes on to highlight how even minor delays can lead to big consequences. This Monday, we saw India Ratings downgrade Axis Finance's rating to default because of a one-day delay in repaying 6 crore rupees on a banking facility. The company had instructed its bank to pay the lender on the due date of 30th of December, but operational issues delayed the payment until the 31st of December. Now, although the rating was restored later, the temporary downgrade has raised quite a stir. In another instance, an NBFC called Kanak Durga Finance was downgraded to D by CARE Ratings in November and then simultaneously upgraded. Why? Because of a delay in processing a payment of just ₹841 to one out of its 251 investors, and in this case, the delay was because of incorrect details provided by the investor. Now, all of these events really stem from SEBI's November 18th circular that leaves no room for leniency. Now, while this ₹1 one-day default rule has been in place for 7-8 years, the regulator had provided some leniency during the pandemic and allowed rating agencies to recognize technical defaults without actual downgrades for events which were outside their control. But the November 18th circular scraps the entire concept of technical defaults, requiring rating agencies to act on every delay, even if operational or technical. Now, while there is the relaxation of a simultaneous downgrade and upgrade, which SEBI has provided to rating agencies if the issuer deposits the payment in an escrow account and shows genuine intent to pay, even these momentary downgrades can cause reputational damage. The rating volatility can even cause stock price volatility, and for funds that are holding the downgraded debt, the knock-on effect is a hit to NAVs and investor returns. So SEBI's goal is transparency, but it is turning out to be a tricky situation for companies.
Tricky situation indeed. Very interesting story there, Ritu.